The Oregon Health Authority says 2 children have died from the flu last week. They are the first pediatric deaths from the flu in Oregon since the 2022-23 season. Devin Haskins talked with the Oregon Health Authority today about the flu season. First, Devin, what do we know about these deaths?
Well, Stephanie, the Oregon Health Authority isn't giving any information about the ages of those 2 pediatric deaths or where they were from. Doctors did call this flu season, though, more on the moderate side. Did say, though, there is a more severe strain, though, circulating.
Virtually every season we see hospitals filling up with patients to overflowing, even in sort of an average influenza year, and this year is no exception.
Dr. Paul Cieslak with the Oregon Health Authority giving an update to the flu season so far, saying there's still several more weeks to go.
The season isn't over yet. In fact, it may not even be halfway over.
Since the season began on October 1st, 474 people have been hospitalized with the flu in the Tri-County area. The main strain infecting hundreds of Oregonians, influenza A, a more severe strain of the flu virus.
A tends to be more severe. If we have a B year, we tend to see fewer hospitalizations.
It's unknown how many adults have died from the flu this year. OHA says they don't track that stat. But during the week of December 22nd through the 28th, Oregon reported 2 pediatric deaths. Last year, there were no reported deaths of children.
You know, in consideration for families and to be sure that we're protecting privacy, we're not saying where they reside.
Another concern for state health officials is the lack of vaccinations the last couple years. So far this year, the vaccination rate for the flu virus is down 4% over the same time last year and 10% as the same time during the 2022-23 season. Cieslak says only about 1/4 of Oregonians have received their flu shot so far this season.
If you haven't been vaccinated, we would definitely recommend that you get vaccinated.
State of Washington also seeing a bad flu season, reporting that since the beginning of the flu season, there's been 5 adults that have died. Doctors say the best way to fight the virus is get the vaccine and stay home if you have any symptoms. Back to you.
All right, Devin, thank you so much.